Rahman Rahim. This is Babu Salaam. Usually the sister, they don't get to see this door because the men actually they enter from this door and they go all the way to do salam to the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That's why it's called Babu Salam, because if you walk through this door, you'll end up right in front of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's resting place, and then you could directly say Salatu Salamu Alayka Ya Rasulullah, and next to him is Abu Bakr, and the next to him is Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. This is actually a 3 rows here. These 3 rows were added at the time of Umar ibn al-Khattab. When Umar became a Khalifa, the numbers of Muslims increased, so therefore Umar wanted to do some extension, but he couldn't do it from the left, because if he does it from the left, then what's going to happen is the Prophet ﷺ's grave has to be removed. They can't do that, and the Prophet's rooms has to be removed, but he can't do that. He wants to keep all the rooms of Rasulullah ﷺ and his azwaj al-mutaharat. So therefore he moved 3 rows forward. He moved 3 rows forward, and these are the 3 rows as well. And then later on what happened was the Ottomans, they done some extension up to that door over here, and then the second door is Abu Bakr's door. This is called Bab Abu Bakr. This is to be where Abu Bakr is to be. This is rest. That's the house of Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And the last 2 gates that you see is called Babul Rahma. It's the gates of Rahma. This was called Babul Atika in the olden days. Now it's called Babul Rahma because a man entered from this door. He told the Prophet of Allah that is because of the drought, animals are dying. Make dua, O Prophet of Allah. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he made dua, and Allahumma aghithna, O Allah give us rain, and the rain immediately came down. Subhanallah. That's why they call it Babul Rahma. It's like Allah's mercy entered from this door, and we are in need of the rain. Is the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should never get upset when it's raining.